Welcome to RepairCMS Ultimate, your best choice for better repair management. Let's start with your first repair ticket. RepairCMS allows you to book repair tickets for various types of devices. In this example, we will show you how to book a maintenance service for an e-scooter. Let's dive in. First step, fill up the device details. Just follow the intuitive process. See how easy to fill up the device details. As you see, the step-by-step process keeps things easy and straightforward. Start by searching for the contact first. If the contact does not exist in your database, you can simply create a new contact here. We already did the contact creation. Let's jump right to the job details. The repair job type allows you to identify the purpose of each repair. You can customize it to meet your unique needs. In this case, we're going to use the standard job type. In this step, you'll provide clear details to help identify the problem. Let's add a new defect symptom for battery issues. Well done so far. It's time to explore your inventory and find the right item. If you prefer, you can skip this step and do it later. You are doing good! Only a few more steps to the goal. Before starting the repair, it's important to document the current condition of the item. Capture and upload clear photos of the item before any repairs. This will serve as evidence of its original condition. If there are any prior service records or warranties related to the item, attach those as well for comprehensive documentation. This field is crucial for helping your technicians quickly find the device they need to repair. You can specify the precise storage spot for the duration of the service. If you book the ticket using a mobile tablet, this is the right place for your customer's signature. To notify your customer with email, keep this setting enabled. Congratulations! Your booking is done! This QR code will bring you directly to the repair tracking link page. Device labels are an effective way to prevent confusion and ensure accurate identification of the device. We recommend non-permanent labels. That's it! Are you starting to see how easy it is to book a ticket? Explore more what makes RepairCMS ultimately different on RepairCMS.com and get started free today.